Alright, yeah.
Oh,
Told you were gonna do it.
dude, that sounded horrible.
Man, I just want to show you guys real quick how sick this is looking. The Range Rover Supercharged E93 S600 and the E61. AMG should be here fairly soon, hoping. Yeah, it's a bit of a cloudy day. Probably gonna snow soon. It kind of already is. Yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys. Alright, yeah.
Oh,
Told you were gonna do it.
dude, that sounded horrible.
Yeah, there you go. You remember how to use the paddles?
Yeah.
Pull.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop cussing, it's for YouTube. Okay. Yeah, paddle up to go up. Now, okay. Oh, I don't either. Hit the deer while we were at it. Nice. We just started up the car. We're driving the hell out of it. There you go. Well, at least we have gas. Nice.
I don't think I'm supposed to do that.
You're like just every BMW owner.
Yeah. A little dangerous. So.
Go for it. I'd stay in it. Yeah, is that fun?
Yeah. No, we're good. I feel safe. Oh, I feel safe.
Why wouldn't you? It's a $3,000 car.
Why would I?
Don't go over 60 in case there's cops. You'll still be getting a ticket, but it won't be that bad.
Right.
Oh, guys, this is my sister Boysmith. So let's say hi.
Hi, you two.
Yeah. I don't think that was a cop. Well, it did look like it. You like the BMW?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I like this.
Oh, I love this. We can't play music for them, but I figured out the sub was even on. Like the subs?
Did you turn on it?
Alright, guys, we're going to the car wash to wash the thing up because, yeah, it's disgustingly dirty. I just got done with the car wash as we can see. We made a friend while driving.
Crazy, dramatic.
Oh, this guy's gorgeous. We're in and out. Look at that sky.
The tears over the show's launch.
Finished up our
The backlash was immense, including everything from
watching
campaigns to
YouTube
the
while
show
we-
taken off the air to
while we
schools
stay on
banning
the car.
South Park clothing entirely. The MPAA realized what the name actually meant, and they attempted to block this title, but they were prevented from doing so. When writing the script for the movie, Matt and Trey were made aware that basically what you would expect if you released a significantly yet to release anything negative or embarrassing about the creators, so it's safe to assume they were unable to find anything. Then there was the legendary Closet Gate. The episode heavily targets being broadcast altogether. They were rejected, and the leading Catholic bishops called for a boycott, and the Kaiser even withdrew from the network altogether. Despite all of the protests, the episode aired anyways, actually up into the demands of this group. Because of
Look
this,
at you,
when the
you know how
episode
to
aired,
do a
every
roundabout?
single use of the name Muhammad was censored, every appearance of Muhammad himself was censored, and Kyle's entire speech at the end of the episode discussing the effectiveness of terrorism was completely censored. And if that wasn't enough, not only were both episodes pulled from ever being rebroadcasted again,
YouTube's gonna see
they were
this.
removed from South Park's website, every streaming service that the show.
Did you have fun driving the BMW?
I did. I can't see, but I did.
Yeah, BMW doesn't have very good headlights. I was gonna fix them like a month ago. I haven't. So I don't know, maybe we'll fix it next week. But we won't. Well, let's see how bad you scrape coming in.
I'm gonna go in forward.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
If you stay close to the right, it won't scrape as hard. Yep, just turn it hard. Okay, I'll go all the way to the left.
Right and left is. Okay, hold on. We're going slow, very slow. Oh.
Crunchy. Oh wow, that's bad.
It's good.
She drives a Range Rover, so.
Oh God. That was worse than the first time.
Oh, I know.
That's significant. It's okay. She'll live.
Turn the headlights off.
Are they not off?
Sky's still pretty crazy. Take a look at Range Rover real quick. Nope, this thing is so sick. Supercharged V8. Second. With the TVs. Don't mind the cooling, that's not for her. Okay, Caleb, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching YouTube.
Bye. Yo, get out real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna go show YouTube how fast this thing is too, so. Go inside. Alright, so we're in the Range Rover because my sister can't drive too well. She's very pretty though. She's got that, so. She's also the one who parked the BMW there, so. Not much we can say about that, you know. I love this car so much. Probably my favorite car I've ever bought. This Range Rover. So fast, so comfortable. It's actually been dead reliable. Let's see, right now it has 119,000 miles. Had 88,000 when I bought it? No, that was the AMG. It's had 92,000, I think. Something like that. Maybe, yeah, no, 92. So that's still about 30,000 miles on it. And sorry, there's a lot of stuff in the car right now. Total ripper. Yeah, no way those plates are gonna make it. Pretty cool story about this Rover though. It was originally owned by the CEO of Sirius Radio. It's a very high spec, gorgeous spec. I paid $8 grand for it. It needed air suspension when I bought it, and I ended up just putting Chinese struts on it. I think they're like $400 for all 4 of them. That's, I mean, it's made it about 30,000 miles now. Great power. It's such a cool car. Okay, make sure it wasn't the comp. Yeah, I mean, supercharged, flies. I just love the look. I mean, it looks like, you know, when I think of SUV, this is what I think. This is my style. This is a 2007. This is the LM 320, I believe. I used to have a Discovery 2 that I daily drove, which I bought for $600. Sold it for $7,500, which is how this came about. Let's park this thing up top of the hill for her. The 2 BMWs. Okay, YouTube, thanks for watching. Oh, I know this has been a random video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sure me and my sister enjoyed making it for you guys. Did you enjoy being on YouTube today?
I did.
Yeah, okay, I just said that, so good thing that can make me look like a liar. Okay, bye, girlie.
Oh my god, bye.
Bye. Make sure to floor it going down the hills. It's okay. She'll get better at being a race car driver. This thing ain't helping much with what, 230 horsepower, whatever it has. It's fun though. It's fun. All right. We'll see you later, YouTube.